Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can use the radio control in Power Apps. Radio controls are mainly used when the user needs to select only one option from multiple choices, such as gender, payment method, or citizenship. Unlike checkboxes, radio button do not allow multiple selections. So this is the blank canvas app. Now let's insert a radio control into our canvas app. Click on that. Select the radio control, go to the items property and remove the default values. For example, let's use this scenario selecting a payment method. We will add these values. This works perfectly because a user can choose only one payment option at a time. Now, insert a text label, select the label and then select the text property and clear the existing text from the text property. Then write radio 1 dot selected dot value. This will display the selected value from the radio control. Now let's add some color to this text label. On the right hand side, go to the properties panel and choose any color you like. Now preview the app. When I click on cash, credit card or UPI, you can see the selected value displayed instantly. Since only one option can be selected at a time, radio control are ideal for this type of requirement. Radio is used when multiple values are but only one must be chosen. So in this video, we covered how to use radio control in Power Apps, how to bind data to it, and how to display the selected value dynamically. Thanks for watching.